Jordan0420 here YouTube. This is going to be the stolen 2012 bike review / bike check. Okay, well, we'll start off with the frame. It's the casino stock frame. Pretty good. No cracks in it. Not a hard rider though. The bars, the stolen tall boy bars, 8-inch rise. Not sure how wide. Took off the sticker. 28 wide actually. I forgot. Well, they came with stolen money grips. Didn't like them, so I recommend the ODI long necks bar ends. And the stolen convict stem, you can buy that on Dance Comp, so it is not stock. It's pretty good. Doesn't really loosen my bars. And then the Shadow Conspiracy bolts, they didn't come with it. It came with stock bolts, but this, I bought them. They were like $6. And then the cranks, I mean, they're stock. Nothing's wrong with them yet. So these Thermalite pedals though, they're pretty good. They're really light and they're pretty grippy. They don't really scratch up your legs like the Odysseys. ODIs. The Odysseys. Well, it came with 2 stock rims, but my back rim bent, so I had to get the stolen revolver. Not a bad rim for $90. Neither of these are the same tires it came with. I think they came with the nylon tires. I don't really know what they are. Overload, yeah, stolen overload tires. They're like $10. Let's go to the chain wheel. The chain. The sprocket's a 25 tooth. I don't know, stock. The KMC chain. 1/8, I think. Yeah, 1/8. And this is the Colt. I don't know what it's called actually, but it's lightly padded. And it came with the stolen Thermalite seat, which is plastic, so I didn't really like that. I don't think I did the forks yet. The forks, stolen the Tornado. Nothing's wrong with them yet. Hopefully nothing happens. And the headset is a standard headset, not integrated. And I think that's about it for the bike check / review. Alright, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.